Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about another quiz which is related to also PAMDAS and BODMAS method. So we will see like which we will solve this expression, how we can solve and how we get the correct answer. So before starting that video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so learn these quizzes from my channel. Okay, now let's start the topic. So here we have 7 multiplied and with the parenthesis which is 2 plus 18 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. So here we have expression. Here we apply, if we recall the order of operations, we will solve parenthesis or you can say the bracket first. So here we will follow BODMAS rule or you can say PAMDAS. Okay, now you can follow this rule by left to right. We will go left to right. So this one is right part and this one is left part. Again, we will solve one by one. So first we will see like here we have the parenthesis and bracket first. First we will solve this expression first. So if we see that in this expression we have the division sign first. So first we will solve the division here 2 plus 18. Like this part we will solve first. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. Multiply by 3 as it is we will write. So here we perform division in parenthesis. Okay. Now we will solve again left to right. We will follow right and left. And now we will solve 9 multiplied by 3. So if you see 7, 2 plus 9 threes are 27, right? Again, we will solve, give the answer, perform multiplication first, right? Okay, now let's move another step. Again, we will follow left to right and we will solve this one because we will solve the parenthesis. So here we solve 7 multiplied by 2 plus 29. So here perform addition in parenthesis, right? So now the last step is multiply parenthesis answer with the 7. So 7 multiplied by 29. So if we will multiply 29 multiplied by 7, 7 nines are 36, sorry 63, and 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. So the correct answer of this expression is 203, which is 203. So this is the answer. If you see the answer in the answer in this option, so the correct answer is A, 203. So I hope you understand how you can solve this expression. Thank you for that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.